Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
All right, we got 3 cage-free eggs. We've got this gorgeous Haas avocado with some shredded Mexican cheese blend. Mike Foster here. Guess what? It's my avocado omelet. It's simple to make. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cook this cheese omelet, put sliced avocados on top. It's gonna be refreshing, fast, simple, and easy, and delicious. First thing we're gonna do is put 3 eggs in here. Just like that. That's 2. There's the 3rd. Now the important part is we're gonna mix these up. I'm gonna give them a really good beating to open them up. I'm not gonna add water, I'm not gonna add milk. There's confusion with people out there that you think you need to add water and milk. You can add a little milk if you want for scrambled eggs, but this is an omelet. And as you can see, I'm giving it a good thing. You could use a whisk. People try to criticize a fork. The fork works if you know what you're doing. You open them way up, but you're gonna do this 5 minutes before you cook them, because then after you open them up, you're gonna let them set and rest for 5 minutes. You wanna do at least 100 of these, but you wanna see it nice and frothy here. See that? The froth. So I'm gonna give this a little more. Okay, that's done. All right, there's that beautiful avocado. I like to take this part off where the thing was, and then we're just gonna run it around like this. You've seen this before. Twist it. Those are beautiful avocados. And then when you want to remove the pit, you go bop, 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 twisty, gone. Then you take the spoon and you run it under like this, and you can get the whole thing out. And then we're going to slice them just like this. These are going to go on top of the omelet. And when they're finished, look how beautiful they look. Just fanned out like that. All right, we got a pan set on medium. Put some butter down. Just coat the whole pan. We got those 3 beaten eggs that have been resting for 5 minutes. Pour those on. That's perfect. You can roll it around a little like that. You want to make sure that there's no stick. You can add some pepper. Just give that about 1.5 minutes. All right, this is heating up really nice. Let's put the cheese in. Oh yeah. Like I said, this is a nice Mexican blend. Let's do a flip. It's perfect. Shut it off. Let that cheese melt. All right, there's the finished product. Now, what you do is you put these beautiful avocado slices on here like this. Just like this. Just like that. Then you put one there, and you put one there, and you put that one there. See this one? Put that one right here. You finish it off with a little salt, because avocado loves salt. Brings up the flavor. A little pepper. A little pepper around the plate. Makes it look pretty. There's the money shot. I don't think I can do anything better than that. That's the close-up of the avocado and cheese omelet. Oh, I can't wait. Big bite coming up. All right, there is the finished omelet. It is gorgeous, but will it taste as good as it looks? I have a feeling it's going to be better. Remember, you put the avocado on top just as a refreshing reminder. And here's the bite. Look at that ooey cheese. That's a big bite. The savoriness of the cheese, creaminess of that egg, and then the cool creaminess of the avocado is a perfect bite. My wife is coming down to join me and finish this omelet, so I have to hurry up and say, for more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. Keep living life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Slow-mo. That's what she said. That's
That's for the video.
Okay. And keep living life. Ah, that's pretty good. Sweet babu. Hold on, one more bite. Oh, the plate is hot. Ouch. Baba.